Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your fresh sales, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently cancel your FreshSales CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, this is something you can initiate from your CRM. However, in order for it to be finalized, you do need to have FreshSales support complete the process. But why would you want to go ahead and close out your FreshSales CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to a different provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process handled here in your FreshSales CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshSales account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and close out your FreshSales CRM, here on the left side, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to see these three blue options right up towards the top, and you want to click on account settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see information about your account, but over here to the right, you want to look for this button here called request cancellation. So as you can see right here, your request goes to our customer success team, who will get in touch with you to take this forward. So if you're sure you want to permanently close down your FreshSales CRM, click on request cancellation. Next, they're going to ask you why you're going to cancel. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you, and then click on cancel my account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this FreshSales CRM account. However, there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your FreshSales CRM, that's how you can initiate the process. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.